Forces between multiple charges. Let us consider a system of charges Q1, Q2 and Q3 which are at distances R1, R2, R3 from the origin O. Let R12 is the distance between Q1 and Q2. R13 is the distance between Q1 and Q3. And R12 cap is the unit vector along Q1 to Q2. R13 cap is the unit vector along Q1 to Q3. F12 is the force acting on Q1 due to Q2. F13 is the force acting on Q1 due to Q3. F1 is the net force acting on Q1. Now, the force acting on Q1 due to Q2. According to Coulomb's law, the force acting on Q1 due to Q2 is F12 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12 square R12 cap. The force acting on Q1 due to Q3 is F13 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 by R13 square R13 cap. Now, the net force acting on Q1 due to Q2 and Q3 is F equals to F12 plus F13. Substituting F12, F13 values in this equation, then we get F1 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12 square R12 cap plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 by R13 square R13 cap. This equation gives the total force or the net force acting on Q1 charge due to Q2 and Q3. If there are n number of charges, then the force acting on Q1 is given by F1 is equals to F12 plus F13 plus so on plus F1n. Substituting F12, F13 and F1n values in this equation, we get F1 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12 square plus R12 cap plus Q1 Q3 by R13 square R13 cap plus so on plus Q1 Qn by R1n square R1n cap. In short form, F1 is equals to Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma I equals to 2 to n Qi by R1i square R1i cap. This is the force acting on Q1 charge due to n number of charges. Thank you.